Hello friends, welcome to my channel Andrani Cooks where I make cooking easy and fun-filled. Today I am going to make a very special dish for those who are looking for weight management. This is oats with black pepper and vegetables. So let's go to the cooking directly. Here I am adding a little bit of desi ghee, 1 teaspoonful of desi ghee to a pressure pan. To this I am adding the tempering of cumin seeds, some ginger, which aids in digestion, and a little bit of hing and asafoetida, again good for digestion, and few green chilies. Adjust the green chilies according to your seasonings, what you like to, and now fry them till they are a little bit aromatic. When they start releasing the aroma, here I will be adding a little bit of onion, say 1/4 of an medium sized onion, and few vegetables. Whatever vegetables I had today, I have added. That is florets of cauliflower, carrot, some green peas. I have added for the beta carotene some pumpkin. You can add any vegetables that is available at your house, and avoid the potato here. Now after giving it a good fry, I will be adding here two types of pulses, that is moong and masoor. You can add any type of pulses that you prefer to. You can add chana dal, urad dal, tur dal, whatever you feel like. You can add two types of dal here. This is a rich source of protein again, which gives you the fullness. Here I am using 3 teaspoonful of instant oats. Now I will be frying these oats also very nicely for 2 minutes, and then I will be adding 2 cups of water to it after adding the seasonings. The seasoning goes here salt according to your taste, and half a teaspoonful of black pepper powder. Since it is black pepper oats, so black pepper powder should be added generously. Now add 2 cups of water and then give it a pressure cook, or pressure cook it for until 3 whistles. Friends, if you all like my video, please don't forget to smash the like button, share with your friends as much as possible. And those who are new to my channel, my humble request, please do subscribe. And those who are with me already, a lot of thanks to all of them. Oats are a good source of fiber and protein which can help you feel further for longer, potentially aiding in weight loss or maintenance. See, the beta glucan in oats can slow down the absorption of sugar, helping to stabilize blood sugar levels, especially beneficial for those who with diabetes. Oats can help in lower LDL, the bad cholesterol levels, and contribute to overall heart health due to their soluble fiber and antioxidants. Now see, after 3 whistles, our oats with black pepper is completely ready to serve. I will serve it, friends. You can use this for your breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, and you can manage your weight, manage your blood sugar, and be healthy. So be happy, be merry. Catch you all soon again. Thank you all for watching.